Hey everybody, Corey Mosley here. I'm here with Gerry Joyce. She's the financial director here at Ertley Kia in Moosic, Pennsylvania. Gerry, thanks for joining me today.
No problem.
So we're talking finance. We're talking all things finance. So, in this market, we've got people that, are concerned about approvals. What's the financial process? Haven't bought a car, haven't bought one in a long time. What do people need to know about buying a car, the financial process at Ertley Kia?
Yeah, we try to keep it so simple here at Ertley Kia. If you go online to www.ertley.com, we have a secure site where you can actually do an application right online. And once that's completed, and it's totally secure, once that's completed, one of our consultants will contact you and we'll guide you right through the financial process. We work with some of the best area lenders, and they'll work with us as we're talking to customers with concerns. We can present that to the bank, and they'll work with us to get the loan done. Most people looking for a car also need financing, so that's what we specialize in.
Sure, and there's a lot. There's historically low rates. There's a lot of things going on with that. There's rebates, all these different things kind of that customers need to kind of know about in the process. And do you think from your end, getting that information out, what's the best way for them to go about doing that?
Contact us. Again, online, let us contact you by phone. Any type of rebates or incentives that we have available to consumers, we certainly pass it along because that's just going to help you through the process of getting financed.
Sure.
And yet Kia has some fabulous programs. We've got 0% finance, and we've got 1%. We've got first-time buyers. We have credit challenge people that come in. So we work with all people. We know that, good people have some credit challenges just like we do. We're all in the same boat, and we're just here to work them out for you.
Now, you've been doing this for how long?
Well, actually, I haven't been in the finance end all that long, but I've been with the Ertley organization since 1989, so it's been a little while.
Okay, yeah, a little experience. You've got a little experience here. So, from your perspective, what are some things outside of the financial process that customers should know about in terms of warranties or how to make decisions on warranties or different products that are smart products? There's a lot of people out there on the internet that don't buy this, whatever you do, you don't need that. A lot of people who don't have to deal with things when they go wrong, unfortunately, as they do sometimes. What are some of the kind of tried and true products here that customers should know about that are available to them in their purchase?
Well, I got to tell you, Corey, a lot of what we do here is listening. We have to listen to what our customers are looking for. I might talk to somebody, what I do here is I'll go out and talk to the customer when they're with the sales consultant. So I can get a feel, how long do you plan on keeping the car so that I could take those products that I have available, like extended service plans and gap insurance, and a lot of people have heard about all those things, but I could tailor that to your individual buying needs so that you're not buying products that don't apply to you.
Sure.
And spending money that you don't need to spend. We'll pick products that work with you during the ownership of your car for extended service itself, and make it all work.
What's like the hot item? Like, I run through tires, so like tire and wheel and different things like that. What kind of is the thing right now?
I got to tell you, we have a product that's called Road Hazard Wheel and Tire. That thing in this area, anybody that lives in northeastern Pennsylvania has driven on these roads.
Right.
It's amazing, and customers love it. Inexpensive, 5 years worth of warranty if you want 5 years, up to 5 years, unlimited mileage. What a protection with the cast aluminum wheels. They are expensive if they're damaged. This way you protect yourself with that.
Now, last thing I'll ask you, in terms of financing, again, go back to the pundits and the people that blog out there. Go talk to your bank, go to your credit union, different things like that. A lot of people don't understand the advantages. They think it's just another profit center for a dealership, but they don't understand the advantages of in-house financing or financing through the dealership with the exclusive banks of the brand, or like a Kia Financial or that type of thing. What do people need to know about that and kind of making a decision?
Well, I got to tell you, one of the biggest advantages to dealing with the dealer direct, I believe, is that you're giving all of your information to a sales consultant that in turn is feeding it to the individual banks one time, as opposed to you going to a credit union, maybe running over to your local bank, We gather all the information and then we're sending it to the sources that are tailor-made for you. So it's one time. And again, going online on our secured site, you can enter all that information one time and we've got it. And we're not going to share your information without your permission, but once you tell us to go ahead, we're going to find the best source for you.
And do you find your approval rate? I don't want to put you on the spot here, but most people who are coming, and you consider a large percentage of people, regardless of the situation, are they truly able to leave in one of the Ertley Kia pre-owned, quality pre-owns or new cars?
I would say, and I don't have the exact numbers, but I got to tell you, it's got to be close to 80%. It's got to be. You know, that people bring in the documentation we need to help them get financed by the bank, and we just get it done.
Fantastic. Gerry, I want to thank you for joining me.
Thanks, Corey.
Anybody who needs financial, has financial questions, or obviously in the market, ertleykia.com here in Moosic, Pennsylvania. Thank you.